From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Thursday, everybody, and welcome back to another Campus Weather Service forecast. I'm your student meteorologist, Gavin Sandel, on a phenomenal Thursday morning. 54 degrees as you wake up in Beaver Stadium. It's a beautiful day, not much clouds in the air, but you can recognize right now 54 degrees on an October morning like this is crazy warm, which is part of our weather headlines for today. It's going to be a really warm Halloween with record challenging temperatures. We might see record conditions today. We also fared with record conditions yesterday, so I'll be talking about that, as well as a pattern change that will be going on tonight into tomorrow. And leading into our football forecast, the biggest game of Penn State's season, we'll see what their forecast is. Right now, though, I want to take a look at the almanac. Our high for today forecasted to be 79 degrees, which will actually challenge the record high by 2 degrees, 81 degrees set in the 1950s. Yesterday, too, we missed our record high by 2 degrees. So still very record challenging conditions on tap here for State College. Looking at our temperatures, though, statewide view, 54 is actually one of the lower spots here in the state. We're already checking in at 68 degrees at sunrise in Erie, and really 60s smattered across the boards. 45, though, in Allentown and 45 in Williamsport. Those are our low spots. And also, you could see on the radar and satellite, other than some clouds moving in from west to east, there isn't really much going on. But if I do zoom out this picture a little bit, you can see what is going to be our weather maker for tomorrow. This low pressure system situated in the upper Midwest, really over Minnesota and Wisconsin. You can actually see very well defined this comma shape going over, and this cold front, which will be impacting us in a much lesser scale than it shows right now into tomorrow morning. So let's go into the day planner today. That won't be impacting us until tomorrow, so it'll be an otherwise pretty nice and warm day due to that high pressure system still sticking around. So I'll show that pressure tracker right now. This is Thursday at 4 p.m. That high pressure system will be moving out, and then that low pressure system will be weakening yet moving in. So we'll be kind of in an intermission period in between those. And then going into Friday, that's when our high pressure will start to stick in. And then on Saturday at 12 p.m. kickoff for the Penn State-Ohio State game, we are fully encased in that blue high pressure. So let's take a look at what this means in terms of precipitation. This is Friday going into midnight into the early morning, and that range starts to move in, and we're not really going to see precipitation until we get into the early morning hours. This is 6 a.m. now. We're going to see some scattered showers at that point, and moving into the rest of the day, then we'll start to clear out. And then going into the rest of the day, Friday, that's when our rain will move out, and then after that, it looks like a clear shot maybe other than some passing clouds. But this is, again, Saturday, 12 p.m. kickoff for our Penn State football game. Looks beautiful, and really for the rest of the weekend should look good. Our next rain chance moving in on Sunday night into Monday. And here's your official Penn State Campus Weather Service football forecast for Saturday. 45, though, as you go up for the tailgates, a little cool, but going into kickoff into the 50s on a November day looks just about right, something that I think everybody in the stadium will love. Maybe love second best for a Penn State win. So another thing that I love is the heat on Halloween. This guy loves it. I love it too. 79 degrees at 4 p.m. But look at this. Those late-night trick-or-treaters will still be contending with 70-degree temperatures. Quite a warm day today in State College. And looking at your forecast for tomorrow, it's going to cool down 64 degrees. This is what I say. This is the transitory period between the hot day today and the cool day on Saturday, because that cold front will be passing. I expect this to be a morning high because of that cold front. We'll only see afternoon temperatures into the low 60s and upper 50s, and it'll be much cooler, winds too gusting pretty high. And here's your official 7-day forecast. Like I said, today, warm, almost touching 80, and then we're going to start to cool down going into the weekend. Remember, those clocks turn back on Sunday, and it'll be 57 degrees when that happens. And then going into the rest of the 7-day period, we'll have a chance of rain Monday, like I said, and then starting to warm back up as we go into the rest of the week. With that, I'm student meteorologist Gavin Sandel. Thanks for joining us.